leaving this Dr. Pepper distribution center. It is the hottest day of the year so far. And the guy in the dock next to me has a trailer full of pop. And all of the pop on the end fell over. 2 liters. Just a bunch of 2 liters. All over the ground. Ooh, I feel so bad. I feel bad. I really do. Again. Absolute hottest day of the year so far. It is not cool inside that building. Somebody got to pick up hundreds of 2 liters. Good luck. Hottest day of the year. Hottest day of the year. 18 skids of fireworks. 4th of July is coming up. And I gotta move them all to the front. Check this out. Already just about half full, and still got plenty more to go. I am drenched, and I forgot to bring a towel. Hottest day of the year. You know, I was never ever the type that was ever really pressed about having a car starter. But 100 degrees, yeah, I might be investing. Woo!